In this lesson, I want to explore how we can customize the tab bar menus in Sage CRM and then be able to use this to call additional system behavior. Here you can see that I'm looking at a company and we've got the tab bar running across the top of the screen. The tab bar falls within the context of entities like company, like opportunity, like person, and these can all be customized. And you can also see that we're looking at a system menu. In this case, I'm looking at the My CRM menu, which falls within the context of the user. We also have menus that are system menus like the Reports tab, or in fact, the New menu as well. These are all editable and these can all be changed. Now, the system administrator can change these menus, and here you can see that I'm looking at the administration screens, and I'm going to add a new system menu to the Company tab menu. The different system actions available to be called from tab menus are all documented within the Help Center, and in this case these are the tab customization actions. Underneath the other actions there's an example called Person Org Chart. Now this is an action not currently used within the default system, but it could be used to display an organization chart of people within a company. So I'm going to come into customization for the company context, and I'm going to edit this existing tab group. Now notice that I could create a brand new tab menu, and that's really only applicable. So alternative tab menus are only applicable really where we're using customized pages using the APIs. So that's really where we want to create special menus for our own context and our own extensions. Now I'm going to add a new tab to the existing company tab menu. Now I could call DLLs and system extensions written in the APIs, but I'm going to call an existing system action. So here I look into the other area and the system action, and the person org chart can be selected from within the system actions. And once selected, I can then choose to add and then of course save. We can examine what this looks like. So I need to come across and we can see there's a new option at the end of the menu that when clicked draws an organization chart showing off the contacts for this company grouped by their department. Tab customization covers primary and secondary entities, system menus, custom entities, and there are other lessons which cover report tabs and further control of tabs using an SQL clause and providing alternative or additional examples of tab customization.